In this video I'm going to show you why your TikTok videos are getting 0 views. Let's walk through a few things that could be causing this. Sometimes, those videos are under review won't show their views immediately. If your video is under review due to content concerns, it won't be visible until the review is complete. But if your video is not under review, then follow this method. When you're uploading a video, there you'll get an option, like, who can view this post? Ensure it's set to everyone. If it's accidentally set to only me, then only you can see it, which won't help you get views. So set it to public and post it. If your video still has 0 views, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Privacy and make sure Private Account is turned off. If your account is private and you haven't approved followers to your TikTok profile, so nobody can see your videos. That's why make sure that private account is toggled off. Now if you want, you can share your TikTok videos with your friends on any social media app, like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, then it will help to get your TikTok views. So, those are the 3 key things to check if your TikTok videos aren't getting views. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.